Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to stream a mukbang. Okay. Yes, I would love to. Actually, yes. What's about sure. Okay. No, I want a tutorial. No. Tutorial. I want a tutorial. Later. Yes, I would love getting food. Okay. 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 0 and it's okay. So we're gonna order. Ooh, there's like I'm gonna order everything from here. Really, cheese pizza. Cheese pizza. No, I'm just gonna get everything. Pancakes. Oh my god, this is so congratulations. Korean fried chicken. Oh, I think that's a bit too much for me. I'm buying everything here. I legitimately don't care. Cheese pizza with 0. Ramen. Carbona. 130. Okay. I think that's wait. Cakes. Strawberry. 280. No, that's too much. That's too much. Oh, I can't get any of these. So I'll just get these. Okay, place. No. Place. I'm just gonna place it here. Okay, how are you supposed to angle? What the heck? I'm new to this game. Yeah, but I need the angle. Where's the angle? No. I'm gonna angle title today we're gonna do mukbang. Mukbang. Description. Hi. Whatever your comments on their comments, but no bad comments. Hide donations. No. Hide that. Hide camera overlay. No. Where ears? Yeah. Wait. Oh, I think. Wait. No! I want the stream. Earbuds. I'm literally not wearing earbuds. Okay. White noise here. Yes. Yeah, I think that's. I'm here. Okay, I think. Wait, I'm saying. Oh, that's it. I need to angle though. Should collab? Is there anyone? Oh, there's a lot. That's okay. I'll just call it myself. Stream start. Oh, sorry, I'm quiet, guys. Why is this a lot of time? Carbona! I don't care about okay, guys. That's it. Bye. No. Fine. Well. Okay. Rewards. Got this. Got this. Clear table. Okay, now we're gonna order these 2,000. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get a lot of stuff. Just like, why wouldn't I? Try lemonade. Oh my gosh, I love lemonade plus strawberry. This is like, wow. I'm happy. I'm wasting like already $190 and I didn't buy anything almost. Strawberry. Love strawberry. Wait. 180. I have 2,000, so who cares? Strawberry 40. I don't think I have enough space. Strawberry cake, strawberry 470. So much. Strawberry 560. 650. Oh, I am so sad. 650. That's a lot though. What's that? Macarena. Pancakes. I love it. Oh, is that it? Is that my... Oh. Pancakes. Chicken. Korean food chicken. So that will be it. Any starters? No, thank you. So that's it. My gosh, there's nothing. There's still my inventory. Place. Place. Yeah, I really know. There's too much stuff. Yeah, don't eat. That's why I got. Just don't mind it. No, I don't want to eat it. Okay. Now, we're gonna see oh, I'm still recording. Oh, I was like, wait, what? What just happened? Ah, hi. Here, my ASMR. ASMR. Okay, watchable. Put your comments, and yeah. Stream, yeah. Yeah, guys. Ooh, there's some more though. It's so good. The strawberry cake. Where is it? Where's that? Oh. Oh, I forgot y'all here. Oh my gosh. Thank you for I hit my keyboard. What? I did comment. What the heck? What? I have a 1,000. Oh my gosh, that's so many likes. I never thought this much like would have happened. Really. Why am I in my face? Wait, that's kind of. So guys, it's so fun. Yeah, there's some more. Too much food. But Chicken. I'm gonna kill myself alive. No, I wanna kill myself alive. What the heck? Boo! Oh guys. How much is left? No, it's not even food. I love strawberry and cheese. My favorite food is pizza, cheese pizza with pepperoni. Don't judge, okay? Don't judge. Okay, guys. Strawberry again. Wait, strawberry done. Oh, there's 2 left. 1 left. Last strawberry. I wanna eat the donut. No, I wanna eat the donut. There's literally no strawberry slice left. Finally. So guys, I don't know what to say. I'm just enjoying this ASMR. Oh, this is sprinkles. Like how much? Yeah. Oh, we only have a little. It seems. Ah, what the hell? Wait. Okay. Bro. Where's my food? No. I'm supposed to auto. What the heck? Am I done? Oh wait, I'm done. Wait, my inventory. Ah, I almost forgot my inventory. No. Yes. No. Corona time. Please. Korea. No. Korea. Chicken. Please. No. Ah. Yeah, I wanna place it. Okay. No. Okay. Honestly, Mukbang Corner was better than this. It's not really a mukbang. Yeah. Is that a okay? Yes. And good. Ooh, okay. I got 10,000. Can I stand up real quick? Let me collab. There's only 4. And bye, please, please, please. Please. Bro, I want to collab. No, she doesn't. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, she accepted. Okay, collab time. So I'm gonna just hit this, that, blah blah blah. Strawberry, cookie, this, that, this. That's it. Come on. Did she just leave? Bro, that's like, that's sad. But anyways, I didn't try this sugar cookie, so I'm just gonna try this. And I tried already out with one of them. No, I don't wanna. Bro. Oh my gosh, are you gonna eat? Oh my gosh. Why is there only 8 people? I hate myself. Okay, bye. Have a day. Anyways, bye y'all. Bye. Oh, I look ugly. I look ugly. Bye. My fit, by the way. Look at me. Bye, y'all. I can't show my real face. I have to use this filter because you don't know what country I'm from, or you do. But I look hella ugly. So, but what the heck? Bye, y'all.